How to add a signature on iPhone. Need to sign a PDF on your iPhone without printing it? In this video, I'll show you how to add your signature to any PDF using the built-in iPhone feature. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Files app. Start by opening the Files app on your iPhone. This is where your PDF document should be saved. Step 2. Open the PDF. Find the PDF document you want to sign and tap it to open it. Step 3. Tap the Markup button. Once the PDF is open, tap the Markup icon in the top right corner to enable editing tools. Step 4. Tap the plus symbol button. In the Markup toolbar, tap the plus symbol button to open more options. Step 5. Select Add Signature. From the menu, tap Add Signature. If this is your first time, you'll be asked to create a new signature. Step 6. Create your signature. Use your finger to write your signature on the screen. If you're happy with it, tap Done to save it. Step 7. Place the signature. Your signature will appear on the PDF. Drag it to the correct location and resize it to fit the signature line. Step 8. Save the signed PDF. When everything looks good, tap Done to save your signed document. Your PDF is now signed and ready to share by email, messages, or any other app. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature to a PDF using your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.